So it's a stretchable high-waisted jeans. It is body hugging.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
My tummy would show from that jeans. I don't want that. Coming to the best part of this product. Hi you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Adisha and I make videos related to lifestyle, beauty and self-help, and I will be really happy if you would take a moment to subscribe the channel below and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And if you like this video, at the end make sure that you like this video as well down below. By the title of this video, you already know that it is a Flipkart haul. So recently the Flipkart's yearly Big Billion sale ended and I shop from Flipkart every year during the sale because the prices are amazing and there are literally so many products to select from, and there are different types of products and the prices are really low as compared to Myntra and Amazon. And it is not a sponsored video, that is why I'm saying this. Also the quality is amazing and you get really a lot of variety of products to choose from, starting from makeup, electronics, your fashion, everything, kids, men's, women's, everyone's. You will get everything there, mobiles and stuff. So due to this pandemic and lockdown situation, I gained weight, which I think most people have done to themselves. So yeah, from Flipkart I bought a lot of jeans. It's not like I didn't have jeans. I had jeans, but I was not just fitting into them, so I had to buy jeans. And I was also looking for different styles of jeans. Like I don't have wide leg jeans, so you will see most of the jeans that I purchased are wide legged jeans, and I personally prefer high-waisted jeans. I don't like low-waisted jeans at all. Even the mid-rise jeans, I don't like them, so I go for high-waisted jeans always. So all of the jeans that you will say are all of the jeans that you will see are high-waisted and they are wide-legged except one. So in total I bought 6 jeans from Flipkart. I feel really bad for those people who didn't purchase during this sale because this was really a good sale. You won't get these products on this cheaper prices again.
कोई बात नहीं.
Next year make sure that when these type of sales come in, you grab the opportunity. So yeah, with this let's just jump right into the haul. So out of the 6 jeans, I have only 5 of them with me. So the first jeans that I ordered, I returned it as soon as I came. Like the next day I returned it because it was literally so big. I ordered that jeans in my size, but it was wide-legged, and I think in wide-legged jeans for that brand maybe the size is different. So yeah, it didn't fit me at all. It was so big, so I returned it next day only. Also that jeans was from Roadster, by the way, just FYI. So yeah, that was about the first jeans. I returned it. Now let's move on to the second jeans. So the second jeans into the haul is this jeans, high-waisted, and it is mom jeans, not wide-legged jeans. It is mom jeans. So it's basically straight fit jeans with a high-waisted stuff, and it's from the brand Urbanic. Yes, Flipkart have Urbanic as well on it, and the jeans was, the MRP is written as 1590 and I bought it for some 800 something. Generally these type of jeans on Urbanic app are for 1200, and in sale I got it for 825 or 800 something. I'm not sure if it is 825, but I guess it was 825. I would just add a screenshot after checking it on the app. So yeah, this was my first jeans, and next clip you are going to see me model it. So the next jeans into the haul is from the same brand, Urbanic. So this is the jeans. It's a black jeans and I think it's called skinny fit jeans. Yeah, I think so. So it's that. So it's a stretchable high-waisted jeans. It is body hugging.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I already had a jeans like this, but I wanted to try Urbanic and I am disappointed because in the photos it was showing that it is high-waisted, but it is not as high-waisted as I wanted it to be. The size of this jeans was perfect, but I didn't like the high rise of this jean, and also I didn't like the fabric of this jeans. The fabric of that previous jeans from Urbanic was good. It is also good quality, but it is stretchable and I'm not liking it. I was thinking it would be pure denim and not some stretchable stuff. I'm gonna return it, but this was a part of the haul. Also, I'm not returning the jeans just because its high rise is not as expected. It's also because I have tummy issues, yeah, because of the lockdown. So I cannot, my tummy would show from that jeans. I don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna return it for that reason. So the next jeans into the haul is this jeans from the brand KOTTY, KOTTY. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, KOTTY or KOTTY, I don't know. But yeah, it's this one. I'm sure you must have seen it on Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere. It's on everywhere. So this is a high-rise jeans, exactly what I was expecting, and it is a flared bottom jeans. I think it's called wide-legged or flared bottom, I don't know. Whatever it is, it fit me like a glove. Yeah, I loved the fit of this jeans, it was chef's kiss. I was not expecting this jeans to be this good, and the reason is the MRP of the jeans is, as per the tag, 2000, and it's definitely not 2000, but on sale I got it for 525. Can you imagine a flared jeans, high-waisted, and with such good material? I love it. Best purchase so far. On Flipkart, if the product is showing F assured, that means it goes through 7 layers or I think 5 layers of checking. So yeah, every product that you will receive, it won't be defective, and if it is defective for some reason, maybe due to shipping or something, then just report it and you can always return your products, except some of the products like undergarments and some products, yeah. So next jeans in the haul is again from the same brand, KOTTY, whatever, and this is the jeans. When I saw it on the website, I really liked it. It's a high-waisted jeans with buttons. It doesn't have zip, but it have buttons. It is again a wide-legged jeans, but it is still ankle length. But I didn't like the fit of this jeans. I like the material. Everything is so good about this jeans. Just it didn't fit on me. It did fit on me, but it wasn't looking pleasant on my body type. Because my lower body is heavier, some jeans don't fit onto my body type. So yeah, it's really a struggle to find a good jeans for us girls. So yeah, I'm gonna return it probably. So the last product into the haul is actually a trouser. I earlier said I ordered 6 jeans, but I forgot that one of them was a trouser. So I ordered 5 jeans and 1 trouser because I wanted a trouser. But the trouser is of the same type as the jeans, high-waisted and flared leg or wide leg, whatever. So yeah, this is the trouser. It's a black trouser, wide-legged trouser with buttons and a slit at the bottom, and it would look so classy. I cannot wait to wear it in office, but I'm not ready to go to office right now.
Oh, I wish I could, but I don't want to.
So yeah, now coming to the best part of this product is that it's from the brand HEUSEN, and the MRP of the product is 2,300, but on I think Myntra and Amazon you would get it for 1,500 or something, but the price on which I got it on Flipkart is 760. When I purchased it, I was not expecting this trouser to be this good. The fabric is amazing. The quality of the product is amazing, obviously, because it is Van Heusen. And the style of the product is literally a different trouser, formal as well and casual as well. Like I can literally wear it outside as well because of this slit that it have. So yeah, really stylish trouser, loved it, and for the price I paid, I think it's so worth it. So yeah, this was my last purchase from Flipkart. So yeah, all in all, these were the products that I purchased, and I am so damn happy with the purchase that I made. I'm gonna return one of the jeans. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I create beauty content on that page. So yeah, you would love it if you are a makeup lover, and you would really get to see a lot of small tips related to beauty on my Instagram page. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, and before leaving this video, make sure that you like this video below, and once again check if you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me and this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.